Hello! Welcome back to Active English. I'm Coach Owens. Some people call me Coach O. Can you say Coach O? Great! Today, we are going to learn the days of the week. Would you like to learn the days of the week?
Yay!
Great! So, there are 7 days of the week. The first day of the week, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are the days of the week. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's say the days of the week very slow. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great job. Now, let's say the days of the week very fast. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great job. That was fun. Did you have fun? Until next time, bye.